In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive to Excel. Full tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clean Excel file you can analyze, share, or archive. Make sure you're signed into your Pipedrive account and that your user role has permission to export data. If you're part of a larger team, your admin might control this, so double-check if you don't see the options I'm about to show. Start at the top right corner of your Pipedrive screen and click your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your account menu. It's the quickest way to reach key settings without leaving your current view. From that menu, choose Tools and Apps. This section houses utilities that help you manage data across your account. It's where Pipedrive groups features related to importing, exporting, and connecting your CRM with other tools, so it's the logical place to begin an export. Inside Tools and Apps, click Export Data. This takes you to Pipedrive's Export Hub. Here, Pipedrive prepares a snapshot of your CRM data, things like deals, organizations, people, and activities, based on what your role can access. Keep in mind, the export reflects what's in your account at this moment, so it's ideal to run it after your team has finished updates for the day if you're aiming for a clean report. Next, select Excel as your format. Choosing Excel means you'll get an .xlsx file that opens natively in Microsoft Excel, complete with column headers that match your Pipedrive fields. If you're planning to use pivot tables, charts, or formulas, Excel is a great pick because it preserves data types and handles large tables well. It's also easier for most teammates to review without needing to reformat. Finally, click Export. Pipedrive will start compiling your file. For small accounts, this usually takes just a moment. For larger databases, allow a bit more time. When it's ready, your browser should begin downloading automatically, typically to your default Downloads folder. If nothing appears, check your browser's download tray, or ensure pop-ups and downloads aren't being blocked. Once the file is saved, open it in Excel to confirm the contents. You'll see your headers as column names, and each row will represent a record from your CRM. Consider renaming the file with a clear label and today's date so you can track versions over time. If you plan to share the spreadsheet outside your organization, review and remove any internal-only fields to protect sensitive information. That's it. You've exported your Pipedrive data to Excel in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.